Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can use the green screen overlay to unlock the magic of it for your professional looking videos. So in here, I've already opened the main clip that I'm going to add the green screen overlay over it. So what you need to do next is just add the overlay. So go to overlay, add overlay, and I'm going to just use the green screen from the stock videos. So in here, find green screen category, then just find the green screen overlay that you like. So I'm going to just add this old TV green screen overlay. Click on that, then click on add. So in here, fit the size and then get rid of the green screen by using the chroma key. So click on the green screen and find remove BG, click on the chroma key, then drag the color picker into the green screen like this. Now adjust the intensity and also the shadow into 100. Click on a check icon, and that's it. This is the result when you are using the green screen. You can always edit the position of the main video by clicking on the main clip and adjust the position, for example, like so. And that's it. That's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.